welcome back to the garage, and today we're going to have a fiddle with the R6 because I did this recently. And it has resulted in some scratches, a very bent bung thing which I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to get out, and unfortunately a hole in the petrol tank. And that's what we're going to have a go at today. Can you just weld a petrol tank? Is it going to go kaboom? I don't know, never done it before, so let's find out, and if it does go kaboom, you'll get to see it. Okay, so the petrol tank is off, and I've managed to get most of the fuel out. Pop the pump off down the bottom, and siphoned out what I can. I'm going to give it a wipe. Now, the biggest risk is, of course, the fuel vapors, because that's what goes making a boom. So I'm going to give it a blowout with something, maybe the Hoover. What do I do? Really smells alright in there, but you know, everyone on the internet says that it's going to blow up and you should fill it with water or argon or some shite like that. But honestly, let's test it with a lighter. I can't find the lighter, so I'm just going to send it. No, I should get some sparks off this grinder. If anything does ignite, then it's gonna go pop out there, I think, but we'll see. Hey, maybe it goes kaboom. Well, nobody died. You can see, I don't know if I tap the screen, I can see, yeah, you can see the hole quite easily there. I just had to chase it out a bit. So, I need to fill that. It actually runs quite all the way up. Yeah. No explosions. Wow, it's almost like the internet lied. Okay, so she's been welded and grounded. It's looking kind of alright. It's going to need a little bit of a skimmer filler there to fucking pop her back in, but also we've got the carbon covers to go over, which I probably should have put on anyway. But of course it needs to be fuel tight, so first of all, in case we do have to weld it again, and we'll use this handy little torch and poke it up in its asshole. Ah, there we go. One there. See it? I think we are good. So is that? No. Right, cool. We appear to have no little pinholes. So now I will hoover out the shite, because have a look at this. There's some shite in there now. Power. See it all floating around. All little shit junk from the welding. So we will hoover that out and then get some fuel in there and put that to be down like this. We'll see if it leaks, and if it doesn't leak, then I'll give it a coat of paint and some filler, or some filler and some paint, and then yeah, get ready to put it back on the bike, I suppose. Yeah. Right, brake cleaner, nice thin fluid, so if I can lash that in there. And then we see if it leaks. Okay, so I got a bit distracted and I didn't film what I did next, but basically sanded it down, primed it, and then popped on the carbon fibre guards that are now stuck down, so I'll just peel the tape off. And yeah, they perfectly cover it all, which means I don't have to repaint the tank. So you can see a little bit of the primers come underneath here, but yeah, probably should have had the carbon guards on first. They've just been sat in a box. That's silly. But now the tank's done, a couple more bits to do on the bike. And then yeah, I've got some sunshine plans for riding over winter, because hopefully get a Grand Prix entry and I need to be sharp on this. So There's some things to move around that should be very good in the long term. If you're going to weld your tank, be smart about it. The internet told me this was going to be a bomb. Clearly it isn't. If there's fuel in it, don't weld it. If it smells like there's fuel in it and you think there isn't, you're wrong. Don't weld it. Just get it all cleared out. You know, we get a massive hole in the bottom and a hole in the top, and that was all fine and dandy. Use your noodle. Fix your bikes. Carry on riding. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.